This is a review of Nivea's Frangipani and Oil Shower Gel. The scent to me is a mixture of plumeria and gardenia, and it contains oil pearls that help leave your skin feeling soft and supple. I like to use it as the final step in my shower routine, so it leaves my skin feeling moisturized when I step out of the shower. It has a great lather, especially when you use a loofah sponge, and very little is needed when doing it this way. The smell doesn't last very long, but that doesn't bother me since I love how it leaves my skin feeling hydrated and soft.